How to contact Bitget Help Center. If you want to contact Bitget Help Center, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply open your browser, go to bitget.com and log into your account. Once you go to bitget.com, from the bottom right, you will find this little customer care icon, which is the headphone like icon here. Just select that option, scroll down and just click on this button that is online customer service. Now, when you go to online customer service, these are some of the options that you will see. It says we provide 24 default, a virtual assistant, which means a bot is going to get in touch with you. But you can select and continue with current language and ask it some of the questions. And if it can't answer, then it will actually redirect you to a real person. So you can select ask something else right here. And you can simply try to ask them whatever else it is. You can select bring me a live agent right here. And once you've done that, it will be able to go ahead and then get in touch with one of your representatives right here. So I hope that this video helped you as to how you can contact Bitget customer service. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.